You know that sluggish feeling you get after a big meal, when all you want to do is curl up on the couch and take a nap. It's like your body is weighed down, and it's hard to shake off that heavy, bloated sensation. But what if I told you there's a simple way to drop that feeling and wake up feeling fresher, lighter, and more energized? It's all about the gelatin trick. By incorporating this easy daily ritual into your routine, you can start to notice a real difference in how you feel. The gelatin trick is all about using gelatin to support your digestive health, and when your digestive system is happy, you feel more balanced and lighter. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, and she's noticed a significant change in her overall well-being. She's not alone. Many people have found that the gelatin trick helps them feel more buoyant and carefree. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, check out the link in the description below for a more in-depth look at how to get started. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some extra tips and tricks to help you make the most of the gelatin trick.